Hello YouTube, Bearded Guy Jeff Lawless here. Got the smoker going, doing a little pulled pork. Been out for a ride. Ain't half bad today. Kind of windy. There's that beautiful thing. It's kind of windy, but it's dry. It's like 62 degrees. Like I said, had the motorcycle out for a little bit while ago. So I can show you what we got going in the smoker here. So I can get it open. Sucker will pull up out of there, we'll be alright. Get up perfect now. There's what we got. Still got a little ways to go. We're about 170-ish. Alrighty, walk out here. We still got patches of snow in the grass. That's where it was all piled up, drifts and stuff. But just wanted to get on here and make a little short video and show what we're doing today. So we'll catch you on the next one. Like I said, we're gonna get this pork done, and we got grandkids inside with us today, and we go bowling tonight, so just ready for some of this warm weather to stay around. Till the next one. Peace.